So all my bags are packed. I'm ready to go. I'm leaving my second accommodation. I got everything fixed. Tidy up a bit. Lahat malinis yan ha. Yan. I even mopped the floor last night. Yan, malinis siya. And then all the towels are here. Yan, nilinis ko na rin. And all the dishes. Yan. Yan yung garbage ko. And I even cleaned up the toilet. I'm not gonna show you that. But it's all clean. See, this is a nice place. It's well kept. Kaya naman, pati yung crumbs dyan, nilinis ko yan. I just wipe this off. Yan. Kahit ito, I even clean this up, syempre. Yan, wala splatter. No more splatter. The fridge is clean, And I asked to be able to check out at 12. Okay naman yung si Kat. They're very nice. Maganda rito. Sila talaga. They're very accommodating. At saka, sila. What do you call this? They quickly respond. They're very responsive. Yan. So lahat okay na. And then I'm just gonna turn off the lights. Turn off the AC right there. Yan. Ito malinis na rin. Everything is good. I didn't use any of their toiletries dahil meron naman ako from my travels. Pero look at that, na talagang kompleto sila. I'm very satisfied. Yan. Yeah, this, I'm gonna put it away pagkapalis na ako. It's only, I think I still have an hour. Ayun yung mop nila. Yan, Yan, nalinis lahat. Ito. Yeah, the knife is dull. So I had to sharpen that. I have a, meron akong knife na matalim. Pero, I think I have it in my, yung pinador-to-door ko. Or maybe it's in the luggage that I left with my cousin. Ito, I didn't know how this works. I'm not very familiar with this. So, yan. That's all damage siya. Yung pala, ganun. And then this will turn on. They probably have to clean this. Marami na siyang marami na. Tsaka may grease. And I mean, the cleaner is gonna come here. And I didn't use much of those. Maliliit. Especially the making breakfast with eggs. Yeah. So everything's good. And mamaya, I'm gonna show you where I'm going next. Okay? The next. Ta-da!